Here's the key to short form content.
One thing people gotta keep in mind is nowadays, like, the attention spans are gone. Like, if you got a 2-minute video, minute two, people are scrolling past, like, all right, that was too long, next video.
What's up, everyone? We're here live in Cracka Studios in Lansing, Michigan. I'm here with 4KO. I am Cracka. This is gonna be a valuable video for music artists out there because you're gonna watch us in real time come up with strategies on marketing the music. Plan is we just wrapped up an EP, happened to do all the beats, he did all the rapping, and we're gonna come up with a good amount of short form content. We're also going to be doing a music video. Stay tuned to the end and you'll hear how they're just strategizing that goes into, you know,
all the bumps in the road too.
Yeah, it's gonna go wrong. You guys are gonna watch it and you're gonna see how we bounce back. Check this out though. But yeah, this is 26 million views. So proof is in the pudding, guys. Whatever the song is, what is the main sound that's interesting? And out of this EP, this beat right here has got like a baby crying type of noise. Taylor Swift isn't gonna leave any clues because she's already a superhero. Superstar.
I mean, honestly, to her fans, yeah, superhero.
Oh, she's there! But you wanna look at the independent, unsigned guys that are like blowing up right here, right now. What are they doing? Because that's what you need to do. It's like, okay, what are the different types of content you can do for a song? This is just performance, and this is a raw performance one. This is just playing the beat in the background and rapping. It's kind of like each piece of content is some sort of like, how can we make people give a f about this song? Let's entertain them for a little bit, and then now we'll let them hear the song. If you just started with Money on Me and I'm making it, it's
people
like,
all right, cool song, whatever.
Like, okay, how can we entertain them but slide in this music? The artist Nick D, he came out with a book that I feel like every music artist should read. He's done 500 million streams now, independently.
Goddamn.
So multi-millionaire now, really just from people listening to his music. Even in his book though, it hammers home, you gotta create content to promote yourself. People are on social media, all that type of stuff, but it doesn't get tactical with step one. So here's how you come up with ideas for your song. The tactical I don't see a lot of people touch on.
And that information is useful as all hell.
Yeah.
Like unbelievably useful.
Hey, and you can get access to that information if you want.
Quick plug.
Link in the description, check it out. It's my music artist content system. It's walking you through step by step how to actually do this. Mine is specifically catered for short form music artist content. Exactly what we're doing today. You need something right in the beginning to grab their attention that happens. And so I think it could start right here and it's like 3, 2, 1, it's like boom, door opens. And I'm like, yo, right? And then it cuts to you and you're like looking back at me, hey, I bet you can't make a beat out of this. And you hit play and then it cuts back to my reaction and I'm like, I think I got something.
I like that. People are like, hey, you said you can make a beat out of anything, right? Yeah, what about this?
Yo.
So you say you can make a beat out of anything?
Right.
Anything?
I got it. I gotta lock you in the booth.
I got to do. Come on, man.
I'm gonna lock you in.
Hey, bro, what if I gotta go to the bathroom or something?
You can't come out until you do this verse, all right?
Yeah, I swear I'm locked in. Ain't no key for me. I lost that shit, no finer, just like Kanye Dignity. They wanna know who the real is, look my way and say it couldn't be. Just cause I ain't gangsta, that criteria not real to me. You feeling me, you smell me.
Here's the key to short form content. You have to pretend that a complete stranger is gonna watch every video that you make and that they're not interested in who you are or what you have going on. Like if you know that, now you
entertain a random person. How are you gonna do that?
Yep.
One thing people gotta keep in mind is nowadays, like, the attention spans are gone. Like if you got a 2-minute video, minute two, people are scrolling past, like, all right, that was too long, next video.
We were just watching a different artist who is successful. He's got 1.6 million followers and he was doing a skit talking to himself. Skit lasted 55 seconds until he got to the music. I'm like, bro, that should have been 12 seconds. All right, yep, we're out here in the courtroom. We came up with an idea for a skit where I'm gonna be crazy about this beat that I made. See, what we're doing too is we're playing off, the name of the song is Locked In, the name of the project is Locked In, so we're playing off that theme over and over again. With the last one, I was like, yo, I'm about to lock you in the booth. So with this one, we're gonna do another skit, but we're cutting to like when you watch reality TV shows and it shows the person sitting down and they're like, next time Johnny says that to me, I'm gonna beat his blah, blah, blah.
That is the most inconsiderate thing you could do to a person on their birthday?
So he's here by himself and he's gonna be talking to the camera about like, yeah, you know, normally Crack is pretty chill, but today, man, he was on something else. Entertainment.
Talk about what happened in the studio today?
I would say the session went well.
I've worked with Crack a lot. Something about today, you know, he was just off.
What song did you plan on doing today? We're not gonna do that. All right, so I've just made this beat.
I don't know if he was on something or...
I think we get along really good.
He had this beat and he kept insisting that if I don't get on this beat, something's gonna happen.
This is what you're gonna make a song to, okay? It's good though, right?
Yeah.
Right, like you already got a song in
Yeah,
here, right?
I mean, you got a little time. He literally kidnapped me.
Sometimes I let my passion get the best of me, but don't all the greats? I mean, it's easy to make a song. I don't see what the problem is.
Y'all can't see my face, right? That was crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my life ever.
The dude took my car keys.
Hey, these your keys?
Oh yeah.
No, it's cool. I'm gonna need that verse, all right?
Threw him into the hallway. I'm gonna get you the verse. Let me get the keys though. Lock the door. Bro, what the f? I just wanna go home.
I'm gonna need that verse. Yeah, all the things that are being said about me are not true. I need the verse.
Hey, look, bro, I need time. I got like 5 bars written.
We're locked in the studio. All right, it. Yeah, I locked him in the studio and I forced him to do a song.
Well,
It'll be fine. Come on,
no, come on.
All right.
Yeah, I swear I'm locked in. Ain't no key for me. I lost that shit, no finer, just like Kanye dignity. They wanna know who the real is, look my way and say it couldn't be. Just cause I ain't gangster, that criteria not real to me. You feeling me, you smell.
Yes, we filmed 2 skits. Skits take the longest when it comes to just doing like performance videos. What I have in mind is like, this is a cool part of my studio. So I was gonna bring the mic out here, set it right here, and then put like a light, have him do just a certain part of the song right here. These are really easy to do. Just play the song, rap a certain part of the song, and make sure you put the lyrics on the screen.
Pressure, I come with that pressure. She come under pressure, she laying that gas with it. Hey, I ain't got time for a problem. I look up from work in the night when I spot him. I'm probably gonna handle it proper, so why'd I worry? That shit automatic. Like what? Hey, damn it, I meant automatic. Tomato, however you have it, don't matter. Your bitch in the bag getting cracked, and I really don't want it. Just knew that you had it. I bet we can have it. In love with the feeling of crashing. Aromatic, I roll up, relax. No time for them lines, see through men and go spazzing. I fuck with a diamond, I look with a pass. My dog in the flat, and I know we gon' catch it. You come with that pressure, I come with that pressure. She come under pressure, she laying that gas with it.
That's sweet. Okay, so we got that. If you want to throw a different top on. I'm back, baby. Mixtape dropped November 10th. C to the. It's called Crack is Back. Here we go. Sauce this up.
Money on me, you making it bad. Shit, double the OTM motive, it's only the fan.
I can't get in. This is the that you hear about when they talk about like cinematography. Right equipment, right lighting, and you combine those two, the quality is. Here at Crack House Studios, we have a new addition to the family. Her name is Big Queefy. Show them what you do, girl. Hot queef on deck. Her name is Big Queefy. I wish that was in my little story. That's funny. Oh yeah. It's in the vlog, man. That's all. Someone got it. Yo, look at that fog, man. This is crazy. Oh man, this looks crazy. This is sweet. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna have Malik get some pictures. Both of us, actually. Back to shooting the music video, hallway scene, big light, lots of white. We're doing contrast. So the first scene in the front room was very black and I was very close. This is very white and I'm gonna be very wide contrast. That's awesome. All right, everyone, thank you all for watching. That's the end of the video. I'm gonna put a link on the screen right here to check out 4KO, his music, his channel, and then the music video that you just seen us shoot right here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Cracka TV. Whew, yeah.